Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Hold on. I don't think you're gonna like the squeaky brakes. There, look at you. Let's go for a ride. You are so funny. Where are you gonna go? Huh? You want me to take you home? Oh my gosh. I don't want to go fast. Is this where you get off? Do you get off somewhere around here? Yeah? Where? Is this over here? You want to go to the water? How far? So keep it traveling. We're here. Is this a good spot? No? Not here? Here? No? Further? Okay. Go to Home Depot, or where do you want to go? Good spot yet? Is this it? Okay. Perkins? Well, I don't know. Do you want me to take you home with me? Or, like, I don't know if you want to go home with me? So I've gotta go home. How about here? This good? Come on, bird. Where do you want to go? Not sure. That's it? You looking for your car? Okay, well. I'm gonna start going a little bit faster here. I'm never gonna get home. It's like an awesome hood ornament. Birdie, where? I know you don't like those brakes either. I'll wait for a car. Okay, here we go. Maybe Walmart? Can't get get him off. I've been driving around.
Oh, that's funny.
He won't go off. I've been driving all over the parking lot. Let's go over to Walmart. You are so funny. He's hitching a ride. I can't get him. I've driven all over this parking lot and he just hangs out.
I thought it was fake.
Yeah, I can't get him to get off of here. I've driven all over the parking lot and he's just, I'm like, I don't know where you want to go.
You're driving too slow.
I know, yeah, I got to speed up.
Do you really want him off of there?
Yeah, I just have to, I'm afraid I'm going to run him over.
Just to shoo him off?
Yeah, well, I can, if I went faster, would he go off of there?
Or I can just shoo him off.
You're right. I'll take him around again and
You're having too much fun.
Yeah. Squeaky. Where do you want? Over here? Okay, I'm turning. Okay, you might go faster. Those feathers going. All right, here we go. Ready? You gotta find your spot, kiddo. There we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm taking you back this way. Okay. Move, move. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Let's go. This is it, right here. This is your stop.